All right, so you've heard a little bit about Sunday, and remember, you will be getting additional training with Sunday later in October and November. So, but we wanted to give you a little overview, introduction for those of you that are new, and refresher for those of you that have used a Sunday in the past. This is something new that we're including because Sunday does not have a strong uh, phonemic awareness component. So the district has purchased um, the Heggerty materials. And this is for when students have phonemic awareness concerns. Now, this can be students in early elementary, middle school, and even high school. And if they have those phonemic awareness issues, it's important that we address them and remediate them because it's kind of like um, you can, if your phonemic awareness skills aren't strong, you can improve to a certain point and then you're going to plateau and you'll never improve no matter how much intensive intervention in comprehension and vocabulary and things like that that people do. So it's important that we address this and remediate it in a timely manner. And Heggerty is a really simple system to use. It's not very time consuming. Here we have some information first. This is just a brief overview. You saw the short 1-minute video about the Heggerty system, but later on in October, you're going to get a link, a username, password for some training that you can complete, and you can get that information from your building special education coach. This training runs for approximately 1 hour. Your coaches and this literacy team would be happy to support you in answering questions about Heggerty, but understand that this is something new that's to everybody. Your coaches, your supervisors, yourselves, the students, this is new, so have some grace and just be prepared that we're learning right along with you, but we're happy to explore and try and help. So again, this is for anyone, except we're going to not have students in grades K and 1 use it. And the reason we don't want to use it with K and 1 is because at that point, we really want them to be focused on using the Fontes and Pinnell system and stay with that coding, and we don't want to confuse them. So we will not use it typically for kindergartners and first graders, but starting in grade 2, if they're demonstrating some phonemic awareness issues, we have the primary curriculum that we can use. It provides 35 weeks of curriculum to help develop those phonemic awareness skills. In grades 3 through 5, we have the primary extension, which is 12 weeks of curriculum to help develop those or improve those skills. And then also for grades 3 and up, we have Bridge the Gap, and that's a series of systematic lessons. And those lessons, that amount of time that you need to spend is between 5 and 8 minutes, but more closer to the 5-minute mark. For the primary and the primary extension, you're looking at between 10 and 15 minutes. At least 3 times a week. So I just wanted to show, I know this is really hard to see, but this is an example of kind of the skills and then what you're going to do on each day of the week. And it lays out plans for you for the primary. In the primary extension, we've got our phonemic awareness skills. We've got blending and segmenting and adding and substituting. And then it tells you how we're going to go through these. All right. And then finally in Bridge the Gap, it kind of looks more like a scope and sequence of things or a table of contents like a menu so that you can look at this and identify where their difficulties lie. All right. So this is the Heggerty system. Know that this will probably create more questions for you, but the intent is to help you remember that Sunday is phonics and addresses phonics needs, and Heggerty addresses phonemic awareness needs. You're going to hear that multiple times throughout the day, throughout this training, but we want to delineate and separate those things out. All right.